or 9/11, which was nothing to do with Islam, because they were, but unfortunately they were committed in the name of Islam. So, I mean, these people, these acts are their individual acts. It's a frustration or whatever you call it. But Islam has no permission, no space for these sort of acts.
The guiding motto for the organisation is love for all, hatred for none. You are extending an invitation to the people of Northampton and Northamptonshire on Saturday of this weekend at the Caroline Chisholm School. What are you going to be doing?
Yeah, I mean, this is one of the events. I mean, we hold several seminars throughout the UK, and obviously your aim as a Northamptonian, I must say, I've been living in for quite some time in this town. I think we need to promote. There is a need to promote peace through these sort of events, and what we want to achieve, we want to give people first-hand knowledge of Islam with the true teachings of Islam, and we are inviting people from multi-faith groups, different aspects, and we want to work in harmony with other religious organizations, with other faith groups. And if recently there was a film, Innocence of Muslims, which drew a large publicity in both East and West, and the recent cartoons about the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Unfortunately, they were very bad, but unfortunately, some of the Muslims, they reacted very badly to this, and with the great anguish and outrage. And unfortunately, as a result of these violent acts, not only in the UK, I think outside the UK, some people were killed, property was destroyed, which we believe was clear departure from the Islamic principles. Because Islam says if you kill one human being, you have killed the whole humanity.
Indeed, yeah.
So we believe we have to, even if we should debate rather than fighting in a peaceful way. And the purpose of this conference is to sit together, people, and try to devise a way forward, how we should try to assert the values of respecting each other. And we can coexist peacefully. We have to respect prophets of all the religions, people from all the religions, their sacred books. So, I mean, so this is the purpose of this peace conference as well, is to invite people from different faiths and backgrounds and sit together and say, look, we are all from the same God.
Indeed. Does that mean that you're going to be having invited guests, or is this something where people who are perhaps listening to you right now are thinking to themselves, all right, well, perhaps my view of the Muslim community and Islam as a religion is wrong, I'd like to go along. Can anybody go along and take part?
So we really welcome people, but obviously we have, obviously, there is a huge interest in this event, and a lot of people have confirmed they will be attending, and anybody who is interested, you can forward my email address to them, which is northamptonahmadiyya@yahoo.co.uk. They can email me, so that because we are arranging a peace dinner, so the arrangements and the space is obviously,
of course,
we have to work out. But obviously, people are very welcome to kind of come along and participate in this event.
All right. Well, the event is on the 10th of November. How are you going to communicate the findings of this peace summit that you're going to be having, Naveed? Is there going to be any sort of dialogue afterwards? Are you going to be publishing something for the general public so they can better understand what's been going on?
Yeah, on that day, the keynote speaker will be a very renowned scholar, Mr. Rashid. He will be coming along to address the keynote address, and following that, there will be question and answer session, where people from all faiths will have the opportunity to ask questions in public in that venue, and it will be recorded. And after that, we'll be trying to release it, to do a press release, and obviously through the media as well, we'll try to make people aware of the achievements or the outcome of this conference. And there'll be comment book as well. We very much welcome people to give their comments, their views about this event, and obviously how we can improve for the future as well. So this is the aim, and obviously we'll be getting in touch with the people in our contact, and obviously through the media if possible.
Okay, well, there's a website that people can go and have a look at if they wish to. Indeed, if you are listening to this right now and you'd like to find out more, then you can go on the website, www.loveforallhatredfornone.org. If you are interested in going along to the event itself, which takes place, as you just heard, on Saturday of this weekend, then you are welcome to do so, but you will need to register in advance, because, of course, there is a certain limit on the number of spaces that can be accommodated. That shouldn't necessarily put you off, though. If you'd like to find out more about it, you can email your interest to northamptonahmadiyya@yahoo.co.uk, and that is Northampton, AHMADIYYA, Northampton Ahmadiyya @yahoo.co.uk. That's the best way to do it. There is also a phone number if you'd like to call it. It's 01604 602 995. 01604 602 995. You'll be able to find out more about the event, which takes place on Saturday at the Caroline Chisholm School. It starts at 2:30, and as you've just heard, it's going to be a peace conference for which there will be outcomes and there will be communication afterwards. And from the Ahmadiyya Muslim Association, delighted to have him on this afternoon as President, Dr. Naveed Zafar. Naveed, thanks for joining us, and good luck for the weekend.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Bernie Keith, BBC